In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a phone number on PayPal. Before we start, make sure you're already logged into your PayPal account in a web browser, either on your computer or on your phone. It's usually easier to follow these steps on a desktop or laptop, but the layout is very similar on mobile as well. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main PayPal dashboard, sometimes called the summary page. This is the page that shows your recent activity, your balance, and any linked cards or bank accounts. From here, we're going to head into your account settings. Look to the top right-hand corner of the page and find the small gear icon. This is the settings button. Go ahead and click that. It will open your account settings where you can manage things like your profile details, email addresses, and of course, your phone numbers. Inside the settings area, look for the section that shows your phone numbers. You should see your primary phone number listed there. This is the number PayPal uses for important notifications and, in many cases, for security checks like verification codes. Next to your primary number, you'll see a link or button that says Change. Click on that to manage your phone numbers. You need to click here first because PayPal won't let you remove a primary number directly without going through this screen. On the phone management page, you might notice that if you only have one number on the account, the remove option is not available yet. To be able to remove it, PayPal requires that you add a new number first. So click on the option that says Add New. This is an important step. Without adding another number, you won't be able to delete the current one. A form will appear where you can add your new phone number. Click into the phone number field and carefully type in the number you want to use. Make sure it's a number you have access to, since PayPal may send you a verification code. Then use the drop-down menu to label the number as home, work, or mobile. This label doesn't change how PayPal works, but it helps you keep things organized. Once you've entered the number and chosen the type, click on Add Phone Number. After it's added, you should now see both numbers listed. At this point, you can either set the new number as your primary and then remove the old one, or if PayPal allows, directly remove the old number now that another one is on file. Just follow the on-screen options to confirm, and your old phone number will be successfully